All right, so this is a continuation on cleaning data, that's removing errors in data. So for this particular lesson, we're looking at cleaning text data in Excel. So why clean text? To remove extra spaces, incorrect casing, and also irregular formatting. So we'll be showcasing the trim function once more so that we see how the trim function actually works. So to showcase the trim function properly and how it works, I'm going to copy this to Excel. So once I copy, we can record that here after John Doe have a space before the closing hyphen. So I'm going to use the trim function so that we see what the output looks like. So equal to trim. We select this particular cell. We can see what the trim function does for this particular person. Um, we can also we also have another function that I'm going to add as a bonus. So we call it substitutes. Substitutes. Let's say, for example, you have a reason to take out spaces, right? You can just use the substitute function. You can select this, uh, the text. Then let's say previously you had a space, and let's say I want to take out spaces in this particular, so I can tell it to remove the spaces and close it without any space. It's just a bonus. So you can see that the John Doe there's no space there, but that's just a bonus anyway. So also have the upper function. We've treated this earlier, so we already know how the proper function works. Use the upper to change this to uppercase, use the lower to change this to lowercase, and also use the proper to actually standardize it. That's it, make um, the first word to be capital letters. All right. Thank you.